Okay, it's 27 Friday 2025. Okay, so it's we're live. It's let me hit rewind on this. Get the button. Okay. That's a Toshiba RT-8780. There we go. So I'm gonna go back one more. There we go. Hit the one button on that. Okay, and did I say it's Friday, 27 whatever, 2025? There we go. This is a Toshiba RT-8780, I think. I'm just exercising it here, playing it. You know, it works. Anyway, so much for that. But I'm here to open a Toshiba RT-S93, which I have brand new in the box up there, but I wanted to get one to understand how it works. And so I found one for a good price, and I got it, and it arrived yesterday, and so I want to open it. So it came looking like this. Right? Can you see that? Yeah. Okay, yeah, I can see myself in the mirror. So I just want to open this up, and we'll just kind of, this is packed pretty much the same size as the model. Has bubble wrap on the outside of the box, which I thought was interesting. I've never seen that before. So there's that. There's this. Now the listing didn't specifically say it would work. I don't think they plugged it in. I don't think they know anything about it. But this one is complete. It's got all its buttons, knobs, and whatnot, including the all-important remote control. But I don't know if it works. I don't think they know if it works. Oh, good grief. Okay, alarm. Okay, so now, I hope it does something. Anything would be great. So now this is what? Just a cover around box, huh? Okay, so here we go. Innovative packaging. It's not even a, well, okay. There we go. All right. Okay. There's no power cord, I don't think. All right. Okay, so great. Just get that out of the way. Yep, it's got the remote control. Looks like that. Got all the buttons and knobs so far. Let's get into one end of it. Been after this model for a long time, and I already have one new in the box that I paid way too much money for it. And anyway, so here we are. Maybe we can salvage some of this. Okay. Show it to you briefly. I bought it with a little bit of some kind of trim missing, but I wasn't concerned about that. So here it is in all its glory, right? It's like that on the front, this on the back, right? It's got both antennas, okay, both tips, and and it's complete in the front, right? So I'll show that to this camera over here. So it looks like this, right? And let's get both of that. Whatever here on this end, whatever on that end. And it's, okay, there it is in the back. All right. So, now let's, don't know anything about this. We are going to stop this, so we know it's good power. We're going to unplug this, and we're just going to stick it in here. All right, well, give me that. So. Hey, the radio works. All right. There goes this. Well. Okay. So these probably need to be cleaned. I don't know anything about these buttons because it's all in Japanese. It's a Japanese domestic model, but it does have a go up to 108 on there. So. Okay, well, I know you can't see this, but it says power battery, FM stereo, and tuning. So all of these light up, okay? And so the radio works, all right? And then I don't know, let's see here. Don't know what button you pushed. Let's see if the, okay. So here we've got buttons like that. Don't know how this thing releases from here. Pressing these buttons here doesn't do anything. How does the remote control release from the front? Do you just pop it off? Well, don't know. It's stuck on there. Can't open the door. Wait. Oh, the door does open. Lovely. Okay. Door opens. It's dusty inside. That closes. And this is on here. Wait, well. There we go. Hey. So that's, I guess you just rotate it off. It's got a space here for the battery to go in the back. And I'll have to find the American version of this thing here, but so I can understand what the buttons made. But as you heard, the radio does work, so that plugs in there. Is that right? Yeah, it came out like that. So you just, I guess I'm going to have to clean this a bit to get this to come in and go out right. Wow. Okay. Well. Okay, so yeah, it's just a friction fit. Just it fits into the little edge here, and just kind of push it down. Or oh, the whole thing is spring loaded. That's spring loaded. Well, that's interesting. Maybe that has a micro switch in the back there for something. But all the buttons, knobs, and whatnot are here. It does work on radio, so we put it back on radio, right? FM, it's on, right? Let's see here. I ran the volume down.
Well, checks. And so I went to Craven.
There's your balance. Balance, bass, treble. Okay. Hello.
Okay. Oh yeah. James?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. It's your mom. I almost fell on the tennis court.
Uh-oh.
But anyway, I really did a number to my leg.
Okay.
And so I'm thinking that I'm going to need to go to the emergency room just to find out what I should really do
Okay.
for the leg.
All right.
So I'm going to need you to take me.
Okay. You want me to come get you?
No, Steffi's driving the car right now, and we're in Campbell down here near the,
Okay. Okay.
It's just, I wanna go up there and be sure that I've got light instructions for the weekend,
Very good.
okay?
Okay.
Okay, so you would be up as you would be.
Yeah, I'm up.
Okay,
Okay.
great, okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Shortly,
All right. Thanks.
okay, bye.
Bye. All right. Well, found another emergency. Okay, we got to end this. Good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I got to go. And we'll just, okay, so here. All right, so we're live. Thanks for watching. Good day. Got to go. Bye-bye. Yeah, so now just, all right, so and then, yep. Okay, here, just, where'd that thing go? Here, just, okay, just another one. It's a little bit bigger than that one, so. Okay, so here, hit stop, 11 minutes, good day.